I welcome all content author to OnlyFans. The script is designed to attract attention to your account from the audience of our accounts. In addition to the script, there are many other scripts for collection the selection of accounts which you will collect from which traffic will go to your OnlyFans profiles. Most likely, with a high probability, users will also subscribe to you if you have interesting content from when. To purchase or test script, it's in the description. We also have a chat in Telegram where you can discuss all the nuances of working with other users of the script. When run the script, you need to open the file where they place it in the chat. Open the file, open the archive with the script files. We transferred it to a separate folder where script will be stored. Launch the MC of commenting app. The download and installation begin. It will take 10 or 20 minutes depending on the internet connection speed. Select English and enter the username and password. I give you or from the chat for testing. Copy and paste the username and password. After downloading the first time, you start to below opens with the choose of language. Choose Russian or English. For the script to work, you will need a text file with comments line by line. Each line will be new comments. The script leave this comment randomly under the post. In the document, write some completely comments that something that will not be directly advertise. You save close here, click on the button folders, and in the window when open, select the file with comments open, a folder for storing profiles. You can specify the folder with the script where your browser profile will be created so that you do not log in again every time. The authorization will be done once. Copy the link to the folder and pass it into this line. Here we specify the minimum numbers of posts that we will collect for commenting. Specify, for example, 13 posts. This means that more than or equal to 13 posts will be collected. Enter the login password from the OnlyFans account and click OK. The script starts working. At the first launch, you will be need to log into the site. The script performs this procedure automatically. You will only need to solve the captcha. Waiting for the browser to launch. Browser number 1 has appeared. Open and wait until the bottom of the opened window will be written to return control. When this message appears from the script, you will need to solve a captcha. The script automatically keeps your username and password that you specified and will click log in. And if a captcha appears, it will notify you about it and offer to solve it yourself. Click on your robot, solve the captcha and click login. Script start. That's all. You can hide the browser. You can also close the browser and it will continue to work in minimized mode.